Hello you guys, and good morning. In today's video I'm going to take you guys with me on my daily adventure, so let's get the day started. Alrighty, headed to the parents now. I just found out it's gonna be over 100 degrees. It's already early in the morning and it is so hot! So this is the watering system my dad is setting up in his backyard, and I've asked him to tell us a little bit about it because I thought you guys might like it.
The reason I developed this watering system is because I had a lot of plants in this area, like right here and along the fence there, where the shelf is empty now, where the plants require different amounts of water. Like the succulents, I want to water maybe every 5 days. The bonsai every day. Other small plants maybe every other day, and then I have another one which waters every 3 days. So I've got like these octobubblers set up here. Each octobubbler has 8 ports, and this is the every 5-day watering. And then the black ones I got 24 ports there too. That's for like every 2 days. The white is for once a day for the bonsai, and this is every 3 days for the other miscellaneous plants. And I've got all these, and they're all going to different locations. And so this way each plant gets its own individual little water port.
How personalized.
So you don't get overwatered or underwatered, and I can go on vacation and not worry about anything dying by the time I return.
Fantastic! If you guys want to know a little bit more about the watering system, how to set it up, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do a little collaboration video with my dad over there, and he can tell us all about how he made this all set up. He suggests getting one of these guys, so that's helpful, and then we can tell you how to set one of those up too. You guys, I think I'm melting. It's happening already. The heat is taking over me, and I don't know what to do. Ugh. Seriously though, it is really, really toasty. Sanctuary! Alrighty, we're back. I have my energy. And we are going to get started on a little garden project because a couple days ago, one of my kitchen peperomias got a little case of basically root rot where like the bottom section was turning brown and it was super mushy, and I was like, that's not good. So I cut it off there. It's been a couple days. As you can tell, it's scabbed over. And then right here is the node. And I'm gonna stick that all the way down into the soil, covering that little node right here. I don't think we need to use rooting hormone just because succulents do sprout roots so easily, but I might. Also, in the back, you can tell that I have a pineapple right there. I was thinking of trying to propagate that also. And so how you do that is you basically just separate this from the fruit part, and you can stick it into water, kind of like how you do for pothos. So if you want to see a video of me trying to do that, because I've never really done that before, but if you would like to see kind of like how I go about trying to do it, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to record it for ya. Alrighty, well, I actually was not able to find the rooting hormone, so I'm just gonna go ahead, grab my chopstick, poke a little hole-a-rooney down where, woohoo, a little excited there, right where I'm gonna stick the stem of the peperomia, and then just like plippity-plop him right down in there, making sure to cover that node that I showed you guys earlier, so you can tell right now it is covered, because that, again, is where the roots are gonna come out. I'm gonna take my little chopstick fella and just tippity-tap-tap, just to make sure that it is securely in place, and hope for the best, because I really did love this little fella. Also, I just quickly want to note that I did water this peperomia a couple days ago, so the soil is not super wet, but it's somewhere within that realm, so it's not going into completely dry soil. If you didn't want to stick your peperomia or your succulent cutting directly into soil, you can lay it on top of it and kind of give it like a spritz with a mist bottle, or you can kind of like create like a greenhouse type of thing where you basically put it like in a little Tupperware thing and you put a little lid lightly on top, but that's a lot more detail that I'm not showing you very much. So maybe I'll make a whole nother propagation video for it instead of just using words. But in any case, I'm gonna go ahead and give this guy a little spritz with the bottle, just because even though the peperomia is not really like a humidity-loving plant, it's not like a fern or something like that where it requires a higher level of humidity to be surviving, it's still just, I'm feeling a little extra today. And then speaking of propagating succulents, I do have some random succulents propagating inside of this fiddle leaf fig container. I'm gonna go ahead and give those guys a little spritz now. This one I am so excited to grow. It is such an exciting one. I'll insert a picture of him full size of the one I have in my outside table of him because it is gorgeous. And then back here I have a variegated jade, which I have a lot of. And I started doing this because I randomly forgot some cuttings. I'll show you. I randomly forgot some cuttings over here in this mass corn plant, and actually this is the same little guy that's propagating in that fiddle leaf ficus, fiddle leaf fig over there, but I had left the jade inside of this planter, and you can see even like right there the roots are taking down, and so I was kind of like, well, that's kind of fun, so that is what inspired that. Give these guys a little spritz. And then since it is going to be such a hot day today, I'm gonna go ahead, take my little spray bottle and spritz all of my indoor plants just to make sure that they're okay and prepared for this heat wave that is upon us, and to try and raise the humidity level just a little smidge-a-poo. As a quick update, my Monstera deliciosa still does not have any splits on it, but I still have hope. But luckily, as you can see here, my fiddle leaf fig does have a baby new leaf coming out, which is so exciting because I do love myself a good fiddle leaf fig. And since this is so hot, I'm going to go ahead and put some ice in the, there's no water in there, Ruby. I'm gonna go ahead and put some ice and some water into their little bowl. Alrighty, so I spritzed the plants, gave the pups some fresh water, and now I'm gonna get to work because I'm expecting some guests later tonight, and as you can tell, my house is looking a little bit lived in, so we're gonna get to work. I'm taking a quick break from cleaning to refill my hummingbird feeder and to water some of my plants. If you want to see my plant watering routine, feel free and leave me a comment so I know, and I'll make a video about that. But I also made some homemade hummingbird, I guess, juice, just because some of the store-bought ones can be pretty crummy, and I want to make sure these hummingbirds are happy and coming back, so I just basically boiled some sugar and water. If you want to know the recipe, I will leave it in the description box for you guys, but you just basically, well, boil sugar and water and then leave it outside in a nice shady spot, change it every couple days, and whammo kablamo, you are done! I was folding some laundry, and of course Mr. Indy took the opportunity to hop himself into the warm basket of sheets. You guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't want to clean anymore. I stopped cleaning. I think I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Or should I upload my video first? I'll upload the video, then I'll go shower, then I'll have guests over. I'm in the middle of adding keywords to my video so that people can actually find it in the YouTubeverse, and I hear a fly buzzing around, but I can't find it. Alrighty, dun dun dun, bam, published. They wanted the cash and money, baby.
So they could.
Well, hello there, Ryan. Do you know what day it is?
Leg day?
It's leg day, and do you know what time it is on leg day?
Squat o'clock.
It's time to get that booty looking real fine. We are headed to the gym to get our pump on, to get our gluteus maximized. Are you excited?
About as excited as I can be.
Hell yeah! Mission accomplished. Shower time. Alright, so I'm all showered and cleaned off. I was gonna put some makeup on, but honestly it is so hot that it's just gonna melt off my face. Not worth it. However, I am gonna put on some waterproof mascara. Alright, so I changed my outfit actually because it is so unbelievably hot that I could not stand to wear anything too tight. So instead I put on this flowy little dress. Love the color. It's still a bit tighter than I was hoping for, but I just feel like I need to be in a swimsuit and inside of a pool for the rest of today. It's so hot! Some more ice water for the pups. Alrighty, so we just finished dinner. We had some yummy, spicy Indian pizza. I didn't want to bring the vlog in there just because it's like, it's a little bit new and they would be like, why is there a phone camera in my face? But in any case, we are headed back to my place now. We're gonna show them some of the fruit trees and some of the other trees.
Yeah.
And how was your day, Ryan?
It was good. Busy.
Yeah, busy?
Productive.
The weather has finally cooled down, so I'm gonna go take my pups for a walk. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on today's adventures. I hope you had fun. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more videos like this, and also to subscribe so that you don't miss out on more videos that I make. Right here you're watching a little fast-forwarded clip of a little tiny drawing that I made. You can see the final product on my Instagram at Schmoop Erika. The link is in the description down below. I like to make these tiny little square drawings. Sometimes they have a meaning, sometimes they're just random. But shout out quickly to all the Instagram people who started out on my first little doodle page and followed me over here to my channel. So hello and thank you. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.